Hello friends and welcome to Prajwalita's kitchen. Today I am going to show you a breakfast recipe which is very healthy and quick. This breakfast will fill your tummy so much that you will not feel hunger for a longer time. So let's start today's recipe. Take 1 cup of rice and wash it nicely for 2 to 3 times to remove the starch from it completely. And then add about 2 cup of water. Soak it for 3 to 4 hours. We are not going to ferment any rice here. After soaking, blend it to form a smooth paste. Now take 1 boiled potato and add into blender. Blend it with the rice so that it will mix nicely with the rice. The consistency of this batter is just like a dosa batter. Now take it out in another bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, salt to taste, followed by 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh coriander. Now give it a nice mix. Add freshly cubed veggies, such as 1/4 cup of grated carrot, followed by 1/4 cup of chopped spring onion, followed by 1/4 cup of cubed tomato, followed by 1/4 cup of chopped followed by 1/4 cup of cubed capsicum. Now give it a nice mix so that all the veggies and spices will mix with the batter nicely. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and again give it a nice mix. Now it's time to rest the batter for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, now heat a griddle on a medium flame and grease it with an oil from the base. Now take 2 spoonfuls of batter and spread it evenly. Cover it and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the cover and turn aside. One side is cooked so nicely. Again cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take it out in a serving bowl. See the texture, how nicely the mesh is formed like a dosa. Also it is cooked well. Now let's make it again quickly. From this batter you can make 6 pieces of this healthy breakfast. If you are facing a problem to feed your kids a veggies, then this is the best option. You can add other your favorite veggies in this batter. Baking soda is optional ingredient. Serve with a tomato sauce or your favorite chutney. Serve hot. Soft, spongy, healthy, quick, veggies full breakfast is ready to serve. It becomes crispy from outer side and soft inside. So give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Also subscribe my new channel Prajwalita's Kitchen Hindi. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.